जो MRP 499 का है आपको 299 में मिलेगा, जो 699 का MRP है वो 399 में मिलेगा। See, this is TPR sole, one of the best sole, non-slippery sole, excellent quality. These kind of footwear are in trend, beautiful, बहुत चलते, excellent, amazing variety, बहुत fast moving article है। अगर आप दूसरे बड़े शॉप में जाओगे तो आपको एक पीस 999, 899 कम से कम मिलेगा। इधर आपको 1000 में 3 फुटवेयर मिल सकते हैं। बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी है, बहुत सॉफ्ट क्वालिटी है एंड इट्स अगेन वेरी ड्यूरेबल, नॉन स्लिपरी सोल। 70+ ईयर्स वुमेन भी पहनेगी तो बहुत कंफर्टेबल है। हमारे घर में सब पहनते हैं। ये 1150 का पीस है। यू आर गोइंग टू गेट इट ओनली फॉर 499। यू आर गेटिंग एक्सेलेंट फुटवेयर एट अ रबर चप्पल प्राइस। फास्ट मूविंग आर्टिकल, दिस टोटल सोल वी आर यूजिंग, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सोल्स इन द वर्ल्ड। प्राइस लिखा हुआ है तो नथिंग टू वरी एज फार एज प्राइस इज कंसर्न। इट विल बी फिक्स्ड प्राइस, गारंटेड प्राइस, होलसेल प्राइस। ऐसा शॉप आपको पूरे हैदराबाद सिकंदराबाद में कहीं नहीं मिलने वाला, वो भी मॉल में।
హాయ్ వ్యూయర్స్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మై ఛానల్. ఈ వీడియోలో నేను వచ్చేసాను హైదరాబాద్ సరస్ సిటీ క్యాపిటల్ మాల్లో ఉన్నటువంటి మిక్ మ్యాక్ కలెక్షన్స్ వరకు సంబంధించిన స్టోర్కి వచ్చానండి. సో ఈ బ్లాగ్ లో కంప్లీట్ గా నేను ఫుట్వేర్ కలెక్షన్స్ చూపించబోతున్నాను. లేటెస్ట్ కలెక్షన్స్ అన్ని కూడా ఈ బ్లాగ్ లో షేర్ చేయబోతున్నాను అనమాట. సో రీజనబుల్ ప్రైస్ ఇప్పుడు ఫుట్వేర్ కలెక్షన్స్ కూడా అవైలబుల్ గా ఉన్నాయండి. సో ఆలస్యం చేయకుండా వీళ్ళకి ఎలాంటి కలెక్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఎలాంటి రేంజెస్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయి కూడా చూసేద్దాం. అండ్ అడ్రస్ డీటెయిల్స్, ఫోన్ నెంబర్ డీటెయిల్స్, వాట్సాప్ నంబర్స్ అన్ని కూడా క్లియర్ గా స్క్రీన్ పైన మెన్షన్ చేస్తాను. ఎలాంటి డౌట్స్, క్వైరీస్ ఉన్నా కూడా కాల్ చేస్తే పూర్తి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కూడా మీకు తెలియజేస్తారు. సో ఆలస్యం చేయకుండా కలెక్షన్స్ అయితే చూసేద్దాం.
Good morning friends, my name is Kamal and you have reached Micmac Collections. Micmac Collections is located at Sarat City Capital Mall, India's largest mall. We are located on 4th floor और आज हम आपको बताने वाले हैं ladies footwear. Ladies, amazing footwear we are going to show you today, maximum samples, and let me tell you it is going to range from 299 to 599. As far as price is concerned, it is direct manufacturing price. जो MRP 499 का है आपको 299 में मिलेगा, जो 699 का MRP है वो 399 में मिलेगा, 899 का 499 and 1000 above का सीधा 599. That's it. We have from 299, 399, 499, 599. So let's start the video. I'm going to show you randomly. Okay, nothing planned. If you see this kind of variety, this is one of the amazing piece of variety. इसकी quality, finishing, pasting, beautiful variety. और ये जो piece है, this in the market you're not going to get it 1150, not less than 1150. Believe you me, you can visit any store in the mall, you can visit outside. ये 1150 का piece है, you're going to get it only for 499. See, 899 is our MRP, 499 is a sale price. प्राइस लिखा हुआ है तो नथिंग टू वरी एज फार एज प्राइस इज कंसर्न. इट विल बी फिक्स्ड प्राइस, गारंटेड प्राइस, होलसेल प्राइस. सो आई विल शो यू सम मोर वैरायटी इन दिस. इसमें ये एक ये है. Now if you see, this is one more color in this. Beautiful finishing, excellent piece of variety. 1150 का piece है वो, but you're going to get it only for 499. Now this you can use as a party wear because it has a lot of stones, lot of work, handwork है. बहुत beautiful piece of variety है. And believe you me, this you're going to get it only for 499. Price is written on the each and every footwear. So this is going to cost you 499. इसमें 1 ये और एक 2 3. We have 3 colors in this. If you see, now I'll recommend you visit as soon as possible क्योंकि अभी latest variety है. It is uploaded variety and you get all sizes at this time. So I request you come as soon as possible. This is footwear, so we don't have online facility. You have to visit this shop. And let me tell you, अगर आप दूसरे बड़े शॉप में जाओगे तो आपको एक पीस 999, 899 कम से कम मिलेगा. इधर आपको 1000 में 3 फुटवेयर मिल सकते हैं. 3 फुटवेयर मिल सकते हैं. क्यों? बिकॉज वी हैव रेंज फ्रॉम 299 टू 599. See, this is one of the beautiful variety. Again, this is TPR sole, one of the best sole, non-slippery sole, excellent quality. You can use as a regular wear, you can use as a party wear. We have 1, 2 and 3 colors in this. I'm showing you these are latest and beautiful variety. That's the reason I'm insisting on all these. Now see, this is also one of the beautiful variety. If you see, this is again TPR sole. TPR sole बहुत अच्छा रहता है, very durable, a non-slippery sole. This is going to cost you only 499. ये 899 MRP. पूरे up to 50% ऑफ आपको मिलने वाला है. This is 1, this is 2 and this is one more color, 3. Now I'll show you some more variety. This is in wedges. Wedges is fast moving article. This total sole we are using, one of the best soles in the world, non-slippery sole. This is going to cost you only 499. I have 1, 2 and 3 colors in this. You know, before the stock khatam ho jaye, I recommend you please come as soon as possible. We are located at Sarat City Capital Mall. ये soft sheet है. Now soft sheet is in trend. Future, after 1 year you will find all footwear, major footwears will be in soft sheet only. This is all soft sheet, so in case if you have a problem in the feet, or even if you don't have a problem, you can wear it on regular basis. You will enjoy wearing this kind of footwear, and this is going to cost you only 499. This is wedge kind variety with soft sheet. इसमें एक, इसमें दो. You know, I have little bit different design I have again in soft sheet. This is going to cost you only 499. 899 MRP wale 499. This is one more color if you see. This is one of the beautiful variety with stones and all, again with soft sheet, very soft, बहुत अच्छी quality है, बहुत soft quality है, and it's again very durable, non-slippery sole. Again, this is going to cost you only 499. Will you believe it? This kind of price you're not going to get anywhere. You're getting excellent footwear at a rubber chappal price. आपको rubber chappal price में ये excellent footwear you're going to get it. Now I'll show you some more variety. If you see, these are again super soft sheet, again TPR sole. This is again excellent piece of variety, and this is with stones. We have इसमें plain भी है, हमारे पास with stones भी है. I have one, I have two, and there is one more color if you see. This is 3 colors. Now I'll show you some more in, this is he called as a doctor's footwear or a comfort footwear, or again with the soft sheet, again with design, great design, excellent quality. This you're going to get it only for 499. See, even if I miss on any of the footwear, price is written on each and every footwear, so when you visit you will get to know ये कितने का MRP और कितने का selling price है, and selling price will be the fixed price, guaranteed price, wholesale price, क्योंकि हमारे पास range ही 299, 399, 499 and 599 है. See, this is one more color, one of the beautiful color if you see. Excellent piece of variety. ये aged लोग भी पहन सकते हैं, young girls भी पहन सकते हैं. This is excellent piece of variety. Now if you see, this kind of a sandal, जिसको sandal पीछे elastic नहीं चाहिए, they want the wedges kind. This is one of the beautiful variety. Again, this is 899 MRP. You're going to get it only for 499. And I have one more color in this if you see, black color, excellent color, black, pink, beautiful variety. These kind of footwear are in trend, beautiful, बहुत चलते, excellent, amazing variety, बहुत fast moving article है. So if you visit here, you will get to know. This is 699 MRP. You're going to get it only for 399 rupees. That's it. Now, if I show you this, see, ये आजकल बहुत in है, even online ये 999 बिकते हैं. You go visit any big shop, it is 999 is the price, but you are going to get it only for 399. I have these kind of fancy chappals also. If you see these kind of frills and all, this kind of variety is the latest variety. Our price is only 399. 699 का pair है, but you're going to get it only for 399. I'll show you some more variety. Now these are flippers. Flippers are in trend. Prices are written on each and every footwear. Again, this is with soft sheet. तो ये जो sheet रहेगा ना बहुत soft रहेगा. Sole will be TPR sole. TPR is one of the best soles. Non-slippery sole. Excellent quality. I'm showing you flippers. बहुत सारे models है. आप देखिए. Amazing. इसमें 399 वाली range भी है, 499 वाली range भी है. All right. So I'm showing you maximum I can. See, peach, grey, all these are in trend. ये बहुत running colors है, बहुत fast moving है, और भी है हमारे पास. So please visit this shop so you get an idea what kind of variety we have. We have half shoes also. If you see, this is half shoe. Will you believe it? This is going to cost you only 399. आप कोई भी shop में चले जाओ, 800-900 से कम नहीं आने वाला, क्योंकि the kind of sheet. Again, TPR sole. TPR sole is one of the best soles, durable soles. Now we have 1, 2, 3. ये designing में ये 2 color है, वो design में और एक color आ जाएगा आपको. These are, we called it as half shoe or a buntu. These are going to cost you 399. Prices are written on the box, so nothing to. Prices are written on the footwear, so nothing to worry about the price as far as price is concerned. These are Bailey. Again, these are designer Bailey. You can say. या जूती भी बोल सकते हैं, बहुत अच्छी वैरायटी है. सोल इसका TPR है, एक्सेलेंट है, और यू कैन वेयर एज अ पार्टी, रेगुलर, कैजुअल. इसके कलर्स ही ऐसे है ना, सो यू कैन वेयर इवन कैजुअल. इट विल ऑन जीन्स इट विल लुक ग्रेट. आपको कैजुअल पहनना पहनिए, या कोई फंक्शन के हिसाब से पहनना है तो पहन सकते हैं. ये जूती का इंड भी है, बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी की जूती है, विद सॉफ्ट शीट है. दिस इज वन ऑफ द ब्यूटीफुल वैरायटी वी हैव. इसमें 2-3 प्रिंट्स और भी है. As far as Bailey is concerned, I have some more Baileys. I'll show you as fast, so customer ko variety. As far as rate is concerned, these are 399, 499, 299. ये पूरे 399 के जो मैं बता रहा हूँ, 399 के. If you see this is one of the amazing piece. We have 1, 2, 3 colors in this. I'll show you on a different genre right now. This is also super running, super fast running quality if you see. And this is again wedges, heels mein hai, but without elastic hai. Easy to wear. Again, non-slippery sole, excellent quality TPR sole. One of the best soles we have. You know, this wedges kind you see. Beautiful. This is going to cost you only $399. All right, now I'll show you some more variety. Now if I show you this, bellies में ये भी है. This is one of the beautiful variety if you see. This kind I've already shown you within soft sheet, but with different design with buckle, and this is going to cost you only 399 rupees. Now if we switch to this kind of variety, this variety is called flip flop. Now if you visit any shop, any big shop, 1500 is the minimum price, minimum guarantee. You go check and buy from us. Now these prices are 599 only. 1000 MRP हमारा 599 sale price. These are called flip flop. Flip flop with wobble sole, excellent sole, बहुत अच्छा sole है, very durable, excellent quality. See, this is going to cost you 599. आप कोई भी बड़े shop में चले जाओ, 1299 to 1899 is the price of these, flip flops. See how beautiful variety it is. This is new collection, new uppers है, ये uppers नए हैं. इसके सोल वगैरह will be the same, but only the upper will be different. See, this is with stone, party wear also, regular. ये आप पहनो. Now you wear this chappal, you climb the escalator. You know, जब आप सीढ़ी चढ़ते हो, you will not feel strain in your leg. It's so comfortable. Even 70 plus years women भी पहनेगी तो बहुत comfortable है. हमारे घर में सब पहनते हैं sir. Everybody in our house has this kind of footwear. Not now since years, because once you wear it, you will not like anything else. I assure you about this. Now see, these are sandals, beautiful variety of sandals with soft sheet. I'm going to show you as soon as possible so you explore more variety. This is again 699 MRP 399 का है. Variety again with soft sheet will cost you 399. इसमें different prints, types वगैरह वगैरह बहुत है, but cost is going to still cost you 399. 399, 499 वही range है. See, these are the beautiful colors in this. Color combination. This is one more variety we have. Beautiful piece of variety is going to cost you 399, 699 MRP. इसमें 1, 2, 3, 4 colors है. किसमें 2 color मिलेंगे, किसमें 3 color मिलेंगे. So if I show you this is one of the fast moving articles, sir. Fast moving article. क्योंकि look wise भी अच्छा है. Durable भी है, non slippery sole है. See, this is TPR sole. Excellent quality, excellent variety. Colors कितने हैं इसमें? 3-4 colors हैं मेरे पास इसमें. Now if I show you these kind of varieties, see, this is one of the beautiful piece of variety, very durable, non slippery sole. Durability बहुत है, बहुत time तक चलते हैं ये footwear. हमारे घर में भी पहनते हैं. We have thousands of very satisfied customers. See, if you want these kind of in wedges, we have in wedges. I'm showing you maximum variety I can, sir. This ये भी बहुत चलता है हमारे पास. Excellent quality है. और ये lycra है, lycra कभी खराब नहीं होता. Stretchable है, lycra भी है, तो इसकी durability बहुत solid रहती है. The kind of finishing quality, again TPR sole is there. So beautiful. Now this is one of the fast moving pieces I have with stones. See, these are with stones. You wear casual, you wear पार्टी वेयर. ये रेगुलर बहुत चलता है हमारे पास. कस्टमर ऐसे ही पहन के चला जाता है, वैसा है. You wear on jeans, you wear on kurti, legging, anything. And this is going to cost you only 399, 699 is MRP. We have some more latest collection. If you see, this is TPR sole, sir. See, beautiful variety, and this is going to cost you 399. As far as price is concerned, nothing to worry, because prices are written on each and every footwear. So it's not कि आप आए 400 बोल दिया, 500 बोल दिया. नहीं, बोलने का हिसाब ही नहीं है. We give you guarantee for the price, and we have thousands of very satisfied customers. ये doctor's footwear है, sir. Soft sheet. This is going to cost you 399 only. If I show you something in this, these are beautiful variety. बहुत अच्छी वैरायटी है. TPR सोल है. लुक वाइज ग्रेट, एक्सेलेंट लुक वाइज बहुत है. ऐसे अंगूठे पट्टे में हमारे पास 2-3 मॉडल्स और भी मिल जाएंगे आपको. Now I'll show you some fancy kind. If you see here, see, these are boots, beautiful boots. ये बहुत रनिंग आर्टिकल है. कॉलेज गोइंग गर्ल्स और इवन प्रोफेशनल्स भी बहुत पहनते हैं. इवन ऑफिसेज में भी सैटरडे संडे के लिए पहनने के लिए लेके जाते हैं हमारे पास. सी दिस इज अगेन वेरी नाइस क्वालिटी. दीज आर अगेन वेरी नाइस क्वालिटी. सी द काइंड ऑफ क्वालिटी इट इज. नाउ दीज आउटसाइड 999 से कम नहीं मिलने वाले, बट दिस इज गोइंग टू कॉस्ट यू 499 ओनली. सेम लाइक्रा है, एक्सेलेंट क्वालिटी, वेरी ड्यूरेबल. आप रफ एंड टफ पहनिए, कोई दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं है. नाउ दिस इज वाइट शू विल कॉस्ट यू 599, बिकॉज दिस इज टोटली डिफरेंट. ये 1250 से कम नहीं मिलने वाला है, बट we are associated with many manufacturers, so you're getting direct manufacturing price. There is no middleman in between. There is no money in between. Manufacturer होता है, सीधा यहाँ आता है, सीधा आप डायरेक्ट कंज्यूमर को हम provide करते हैं. We don't provide to shops. We give directly to the consumer here. Benefit directly to consumer. See, this is one of the beautiful pieces. We have 2 colors in this. 899 MRP है, 499 is the sale price. Go online. ये 1000-1200 से कम नहीं मिलने वाला है. So you can take a benefit of this kind of variety, क्योंकि ऐसा शॉप आपको पूरे हैदराबाद सिकंदराबाद में कहीं नहीं मिलने वाला, वो भी मॉल में, जहाँ पे आपको 299, 399, 499 and last is 599. So I request you visit our shop with your family. एक बार आके देखिए. So you get an idea. You will not miss on anything. I give you guarantee for that. So please visit our shop.
సో వ్యూవర్స్ చూసారు కదండి, మిక్ మ్యాక్ ఫుట్వేర్ కలెక్షన్స్, మంచి మంచి కలెక్షన్స్, లేటెస్ట్ కలెక్షన్స్ అన్ని కూడా ఇక్కడ అవైలబుల్గా ఉన్నాయండి. లైక్ మన క్యాజువల్ చెప్పల్స్ నుంచి తీసుకుంటే కనుక మనకి ఆల్ ఏజ్ గ్రూప్స్ వాళ్ళు వేసుకునే విధంగా ఇక్కడ ఫ్యాషనబుల్ ఫుట్వేర్ కలెక్షన్స్ అనేవి అందుబాటులో ఉన్నాయి. మనకి ఫ్యాన్సీ బూట్స్ కానివ్వండి, షిమ్మర్ బేస్డ్ శాండిల్స్ కానివ్వండి, డిఫరెంట్ రేంజెస్లో కూడా ఇక్కడ కలెక్షన్స్ అనేవి అందుబాటులో ఉన్నాయి. స్టార్టింగ్ ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి 299, 399, 499, 599, 699 ఈ రేంజ్లో మనకి కలెక్షన్స్ అనేవి అందుబాటులో ఉన్నాయి. మీరు డైరెక్ట్గా స్టోర్కి వచ్చి విజిట్ చేస్తే కనుక లాట్స్ ఆఫ్ కలెక్షన్స్ అన్ని కూడా మీరు చూడొచ్చు. అన్ని కూడా మనం వీడియోలో కవర్ చేయలేం కాబట్టి సో నా బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ లో చూసుకుంటే కనుక ఇవన్నీ కూడా మనకి ఫుట్వేర్ కలెక్షన్సే. సో అడ్రస్ డీటెయిల్స్, ఫోన్ నెంబర్ డీటెయిల్స్, వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్స్ అన్ని కూడా క్లియర్ గా స్క్రీన్ పైన మెన్షన్ చేస్తాను. ఎలాంటి డౌట్స్, క్వైరీస్ ఉన్నప్పుడు కాల్ చేస్తే పూర్తి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కూడా మీకు తెలియజేస్తారు. సో అడ్రస్ డీటెయిల్స్ కూడా నేను క్లియర్ గా మెన్షన్ చేస్తానండి. ఇది మనకి సరత్ సిటీ క్యాపిటల్ మాల్, ఏఎంబీ మాల్ ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో మనకి 4th ఫ్లోర్ లో స్టోర్ అనేది లొకేట్ అయి ఉంది. సో డైరెక్ట్ గా విజిట్ చేయాలని కూడా విజిట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో ఈ వ్లాగ్ అయితే ఇక్కడతో ముగించేస్తున్నాను. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ వ్లాగ్ తో మళ్ళీ ముందు ఉంటాను. అంటిల్ దెన్ దిస్ అనుష సైనింగ్ ఆఫ్. బై బై.